Hi, I'm Allan. In the last video, we looked at how to create an ArcGIS developer account so you can log into your developer dashboard and start building applications with ArcGIS platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use API keys to access location services quickly. So let's get started. I'm going to jump over to the API keys tab. Underneath there, I have a default API key that's already set and ready to go. So I can click on this API key to access the settings. If I want to visualize the key, then I can do that. I want to scroll down a little further and look for source code in different APIs and different languages to access the key. I can access that as well. But what I really want to do is configure the services for this key. Right now it's configured to 4 services. So if I go into this setting, I can turn off service area because the application I'm building in this scenario only accesses basemaps, geocoding, not stored, and routing. If I want to access the other functionality that's available below, I need to go to my pay-as-you-go billing page, and I can enable the rest of that functionality. So right now you can see this key is scoped to these 3 services. I can also see down here that I'm getting a notification that says it could take up to 15 minutes for these changes to propagate. So be sure to wait that long before you do testing in your application. I can also scope this key to access certain content items in the ArcGIS platform, such as maps and layers. Or I can set refers to further secure this API key only to be accessed from certain domains. So I'm going to scroll back up. I'm going to copy this key. I'm going to go to this little application that I have. And as you can see, the map is blank and there's really no functionality that's enabled here. So this is an ArcGIS JavaScript API application. So I'm going to plug in the key, set this global variable up top here. And when that property is set, then it gives me access to the various location services. So this is the basemap layer service, and in this case, it's the ArcGIS navigation theme. And if I want to access the geocoding service, I can do that through the search widget. So it allows me to find places around the world. And then if I want to access the routing service, I can do that through the directions widget. So this has found a route, and it's giving me turn-by-turn directions that have been returned from the routing service. So this is just a quick example of how to create an API key, scope it, and then plug it into an application. If you want to learn more about API keys, security, and authentication, I encourage you to go to the Mapping API and Services Guide. So that's about it. That's just a quick introduction to using your default API key that comes with your developer account so that you can access location services. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.